Hi everyone, I'm Christian.
And I'm Sam.
And we're here with some of the herd's favorite bags.
Introducing our Loveless 6.
We've got the ever adorable Mutt, the handy carrying CC Rider. Like your best friend every day, you've got the Hound. And for those four-legged friends, we've got the Dog Leash. One of my favorite bags, the Booty Boss. And last but not least, the lovable Ladybug.
Let's dive in.
Coming in hot off our Loveless 6 is the CC Rider. And popular to contrary belief, it doesn't stand for cute and cuddly, although it could. It stands for the Commute and Carry Rider. I've often joked that we should call this bag Pockets O'Houlihan as well, because this is truly a great gift to give to anybody that just likes to be organized and have compartments galore. This bag would be perfect for anybody that's on the go. If you're a courier, you're a messenger, you're just kind of an urban city kind of a person, looking to have that leisure look but yet carry all your business things with you. One of the cool features about this bag, and one of my favorites, is opening with this quick zippered access panel to get you right inside the main compartment to get all those small things that you want to get. Pens, pencils, tablets. This would be a great bag for that technician in the family, whether they're a professional, a tinkerer, or a hobbyist. This is a compartmentalization dream for all your tools, all your supplies, all your fasteners. This really is going to be the ticket for you if you like all those different pockets. Now that we've told you a little about our CC Rider, hey, Sam, catch.
Thank you, Christian. This is the Hound, next on our Loveless 6. This is a great bag for all of the minimalist commuters out there. Wallet, glasses, keys, my phone in the front pocket, and I use this every day. It even has spare room if I pick stuff up throughout the day, or if I need to grab a snack, just throw it in here. There's plenty of room still. It's great for books, tablets, e-readers. It's got padding all the way around it and on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about thumping it when you set it down. Just like your dog, this is your constant companion. That's the reason we named it the Hound.
Are you ready for this one? This is the Booty Boss up next on our Loveless 6. And like a pirate, we store all our booty in here. This bag is great for the outdoor enthusiast, whether you're hiking, walking with your dog. It's also great for folks that want to go to concerts and have all their things right in this small pack. I actually heard a nurse tell me that it helped save a life for him because he had it in his vehicle on his person, was able to go with all his equipment in here and assist on scene before any emergency personnel arrived. So this bag is good for your PPE. This bag would be good for your everyday carry items, as you can carry it in multiple different ways. This bag is more than just a fanny pack. Although you can wear it on your waist, you can wear this as a satchel or a purse with this new handy carrying strap here. So you can carry it over yourself this way. This is one of my personal favorites, the Booty Boss. Don't let anybody run off with it, but it's about to make its exit.
And next on our Loveless 6, we have the Mutt, or as we like to call it, the Maximum Utility Travel Tote. This isn't just a tote, it is a super tote. You could live out of this tote. You could use it as a teacher's supply bag, a crafting bag if you have large skeins of yarn to put in there, going to sports events or going to sports practice, a diaper bag. It's tall enough to carry a lot of your board games with you. So if you had game nights, somewhere it could even put some of the snacks that you needed to bring as well over to your buddy's place. You will notice the double box stitching here with the 2 X's, which is also why we have 2 X's in Red Oxx.
Up next on our Loveless 6 is the Dog Leash. This one hits near and dear to my heart as a lover of dogs and all animals. For every one of these bought, Red Oxx is donating one to Billings Animal Rescue Care, which is Bark. And we've already donated 200 leashes, and we're looking to get to that 500. So with your help, we can get to that 500 and make sure that these animals are equipped with a leash that'll last them a lifetime. The Dog Leash has got the same quality and durability you've come to expect out of our other shoulder straps. Rest assured that your dog won't be able to break this one.
And in flies our Ladybug. We wanted to give our customers a TSA-friendly bag that was made in the USA. It is a dual-sided packing cube. One side has mesh, so you can easily see through it to your accessories inside. And the other side comes with a clear vinyl so you can keep your toiletries, liquids, that way there's no spillage. It also comes with a nifty carrying handle that you can loop or snap around a door handle or shower head. This would make a great stocking stuffer, or for the true enthusiast, this could be your stocking. And there you have it, folks, the Ladybug. Not only is it that cute little bug that crawls on you in the summer, it's also a really nifty multi-purpose packing cube. We hope you love our gift ideas. There's more where these came from.
And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at info@redoxx.com or
give us a call at 888-733-6999.
one of our customer care representatives is eagerly awaiting to assist you.
Chances are it's Christian.
It's like we're the Charlie's Angels, but we're the Red Oxx Angels. On Eddie, I'd be Farrah Fawcett, probably, right? It's the figure.